You have been using your Android phone every single day, and your phone has been keeping secrets from you. Not glitches, not bugs, features, fully built, fully working, hidden inside your phone right now. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly where they are. 5 hidden Android features. Most people will never find these on their own, but after this video, you'll use at least 3 of them every single day. I'm Aaron. This is techytrickshowto. Let's get into it. Feature 1. Developer options, the hidden menu. There is a secret menu inside every Android phone. It is not visible by default. Google hid it on purpose because it's powerful enough to break things if you don't know what you're doing. But there are 2 settings inside it that are completely safe, and they make your phone feel dramatically faster. Here's how to unlock it. Go to Settings. Scroll down to About Phone. Find Build Number. Now, tap it 7 times. I know, 7 times. Stay with me. After the 7th tap, your phone will say you are now a developer. Congratulations! You just unlocked a hidden menu that most Android users don't even know exists. Now, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down, and you will see a new option that wasn't there before. Developer options. Tap it. Inside, scroll down until you find Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. All 3 are probably set to 1x. Change all 3 to 0.5x. Your phone animations now run at half the time. Everything opens faster, everything closes faster, every transition feels instant. Your phone didn't get a hardware upgrade. You just removed the artificial slowness Android puts on every animation by default. That's feature 1. Feature 2. One-handed mode. Phones keep getting bigger, and our hands stay the same size. If you've ever tried to reach the top of your screen with one hand while your other hand is carrying something, you know the struggle. Android fixed this quietly and told nobody. It's called one-handed mode. Here's how to turn it on. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, or on some phones, Advanced Features. Look for one-handed mode and switch it on. Now, when you swipe down on the bottom edge of your screen, the entire display shrinks to the lower half. Everything is now reachable with one thumb without stretching or dropping your phone. This is one of those features that once you use it, you wonder how you ever survived without it. Especially on phones with screens over 6 inches. Feature 3. Clipboard History. Every time you copy something on your phone, Android remembers it. Not just the last thing you copied, multiple things, in order. That link you copied an hour ago, that phone number from a message, that paragraph you grabbed from an email, all of it, still accessible. Here's how to access it. Open any text field, a message, a note, a search bar, anything where you can type. Tap and hold inside the text field until the text options appear. Look for a clipboard icon, usually beside the paste button. Tap it. Now, your full clipboard history opens. Every single thing you've copied recently, laid out and ready to paste. This is one of those features that once you use it, you wonder how you ever survived without it. And it's been on your phone this whole time. Feature 4. Scheduled dark mode. Most people either have dark mode on all the time or never turn it on at all. But Android lets you do something smarter. You can schedule it. Go to Settings, tap Display, tap Dark Mode or Dark Theme. Instead of just toggling it on, tap Schedule. Now you'll see 2 options. Sunset to sunrise, which automatically switches based on your location and the time of day. Or you can set a custom schedule. Choose exactly what time dark mode turns on and off. This means during the day, your phone looks bright and clear for reading. At night, it automatically switches to dark mode. Easier on your eyes, better for your battery. No manual switching required. Set it once, forget about it. Your phone handles the rest. Feature 5. Smart Lock. How many times a day do you unlock your phone? Think about it. Every time you pick it up, every notification, every quick check. Studies say the average person unlocks their phone over 80 times a day. Android has a feature that can cut most of those unlocks completely. It's called Smart Lock, and here's how it works. Go to Settings, tap Security or Lock Screen. Look for Smart Lock. Inside Smart Lock, you get 3 powerful options. Trusted Places. Your phone stays unlocked automatically whenever you're at a location you set, like your home or workplace. The moment you leave, it locks itself. Trusted Devices. Your phone stays unlocked while connected to a trusted Bluetooth device, like your earbuds or your smartwatch. Disconnect, it locks. On Body Detection. Your phone stays unlocked as long as it detects it's being carried. The moment you put it down, it locks automatically. And this is how you stop unlocking your phone 80 times a day without ever compromising your security. Smart Lock is one of the most underused Android features in existence, and it's been sitting in your security settings this whole time. So, let's recap. Feature 1. Developer options. Tap build number 7 times, set animations to 0.5x. Your phone feels instantly faster. Feature 2. 100 mode. Accessibility settings. Swipe down on the bottom edge, full screen in reach of one thumb. Feature 3. Clipboard history. Tap and hold any text field, tap the clipboard icon, everything you've copied, right there. Feature 4. Scheduled dark mode. Display settings. Schedule it to switch automatically at sunset or a custom time. Feature 5. Smart Lock. Security settings. Trusted Places, Trusted Devices, or On Body Detection. Stop unlocking your phone all day. 5 features. All free, all already on your phone. Go find at least one of them right now before you close this video. Drop a comment telling me which one surprised you the most. I read every single one. Peace.